BlueEye Clinic is an easy-to-use and secure video consultation platform. BlueEye supports all the latest web browsers. You can log into BlueEye Clinic using the login ID and password which are provided by BlueEye team with a new account. After logging in, you can either make a direct call to the patients via the direct function or schedule a call appointment via the clinic function. To schedule a call, click on a clinic, select the appropriate date and time. Enter the patient details and click on Create. The patient receives a notification via SMS and/or email with the appointment details. The patient receives another SMS or email 5 minutes before the appointment time which contains the secure link for the call. The patient clicks on the link and allows the browser to access the microphone and camera in order to join the waiting room. You are notified when the patient joins the waiting room, and the video call is established when you join the patient in the waiting room. In the video call, you will see your own video and patient video on the screen. During an ongoing call, you can add participants using the Add Participant button. You can chat with the participants using the Chat button. You can send a file to the participants using the File Transfer button. The participants receive a message in the chat box with an option to download the file. You can also share your screen with the other participants using the Share Screen button. After the consultation, you can end the call using the End Call button. You can see all your future and past appointments, as well as edit an upcoming appointment, via the calendar feature. The clinic link function in BlueEye Clinic allows you to create a personalized permanent web link for your virtual clinic. It's like a permanent address to your virtual clinic. You can share the personalized link with your returning patients, which they can use each time they wish to consult with you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or need to set up a BlueEye account, please contact us at support@blueye.video.